Hello guys, today I am going to show you how can you establish your project timeline and how can you present your project progress within the same chart. So let's begin. I will shift to the demo. There are two things very important to establish your timeline, which is first is the task and the other is the working days. How many working days you need to finish this task. You have to sit with your team and decide the working days, excluding the weekends. So let's suppose your project is started on the 1st of the January of 2023. You want to calculate the date after 30 working days. So what is the formula? It is equals to, right, working international days. It need four things: the start date, the days, the weekend. It should be Saturday or Sunday. If you are working in the Middle East, it can be Friday or Saturday. So for me, Sunday and Saturday. And if any holiday fall within this range, so I will incorporate it like 1 or 2, or if there is no, I will write here 0, close the bracket, hit enter. It will give me the date after 30 working days excluding weekends. And if you see if there is no holiday fall between these ranges, so you can simply drag it down to the end and keep one cells extra, so you can easily calculate the total days. How? It is equals to subtract the next date from the previous date. It will calculate the total days including the weekends and drag it down to the end. Then you have to decide with your team the progress of your project. For example, I have decided this progress for the project. I will simply copy and paste here, and then the days, progress days means how many days work you have already done. So to calculate these days, it's simple. Multiply total days with the progress and then drag it down to the end. Now your table is complete. You want to now establish your timeline in a graphical manner. So how can you do this? Go here in the insert, go to the bar chart and select this 2D bar, second one, stack bar. It will give you the good presentation, and then start entering the data here. Like right click, go to the select data, then here add the legend entries, give the series name like a start date. First we will incorporate the start date of every task, press OK, then add the total number of days, series name, and the series. It will give you this kind of table. And then you don't want to see the 1 2 3 because it's giving you the serial number here. You want to the task name, so go here, edit this one and select the labels of each task instead of sequence, serial number I mean. So you see that task name is defined here, but it is in reverse order. I have to correct this first. Select it, press right click and format axis, and then select the categories in reverse order. It will correct the order. Now I don't need this blue line because the total days are in this chart in a red color. So I will select the blue one and go in here, color, and I'll select no color option. Now if you see here, it is not starting from the beginning of the year. So how I can correct it? It is equals to in any cell here and select the date, also the start date, and also do it for the end date, and convert these dates into number. Why is that? Because when you click here, you will see it will ask you the bound maximum and minimum value. So the bound minimum value is 44927 and the bound maximum value is 45359. So if the dates are overlapping each other, you can click on it. You can click on it and select the major unit 100. If it's work, okay, fine. If it don't work, you can increase or decrease the number. Now I want to show the progress in this chart. How can we do it? Select the hide cell, hide bars, and then go press this plus button and go to error bar, select this more option, and you see the error bar will appear here. In the direction, select plus. In the end style, plus no cap, select no cap, and in error amount, go to the custom and specify. And in here you can select the range of the progress in days. When you click on it, it will give you the progress of the each task. You can make it thicker and you can change the color, make the color green and make it thick, like I think 10 is good. No, you can increase more. Okay, the 12 is good for me. Here you can see the progress. Now you want to show how much percent work has been done so far in the chart. Right click on it, select the data, add one more legendary series, give the name progress, and in the series values add these values. Hit OK. It will give you, and also if you want to see the task here, add it, select the tasks, OK and OK. So it will give you the data label, and you have to go here, select the more option. It will start giving you two different, the dates, the number of days you can delete, and the percentage you can leave because I want this. You can bold it and you can increase the font, and you can change the place a little bit, like outside. Now it looks good. You can change the color of bars to look more better, and that's it. You can, from here you can see the, give the project chart title like the project timeline, and you can select it, go in here in home option, give this color the red one, make it bold and bigger. You can also change the font of the date and the size of the date and the font of the task. So this is how you can establish your project timeline, and in the same chart you can show the progress to your client, to your upper hierarchy, to your management. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.